Wait, if they're not announcing Manipur, this is rigged.
I don't want this to end because I met all the girls and to me they're all winners. But of course, this is a competition and we have to narrow down. And the final spot belongs to candidate number 39!
Did they just eliminate Manipur? Are you telling me that they eliminated Danube? Danube had, according to preliminary, she had a top 5 best performance in national costume, in evening gown, okay? So even if she was super bad, I think those, and swimsuit, those two should be able to pull her in top 20. Especially quite a lot of the girls didn't really shine that are in top 20, didn't really shine in the top, in the preliminary. So who made the decision?
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you.
Wait for a minute, or did I got mistaken?
Miss Universe India 2024.
And to all the ladies that weren't called, you know you did great. You're all winners in your own right. Thank you very much. And keep on dreaming. You're all extremely beautiful. Give them a big hand as well, ladies and gentlemen.
This is crazy. Okay. I'm really disappointed because I feel like Danube can replace at least 5 to 6 girls here, okay?
Top 20 at Pristine Luxury presents Miss Universe India 2024. Give them a big round of applause.
This is not correct. This is not correct.
I am. Well, the show is a little slow because there's so many commercials and pauses, but I'm just waiting impatiently for the results, and I hope they pick the best top 20. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Come on.